How to fix Facebook Messenger calls not ringing on Android. This tutorial shows you quick solutions to resolve notification issues. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps. Following that, find Messenger in the app list and tap on it. Now, tap on Notifications and make sure all notification categories are enabled. Moving forward, swipe down from the top of your screen to open the Quick Settings panel. Afterwards, check if Do Not Disturb mode is turned on. In addition to that, if it's enabled, tap on it to turn it off. Once there, go back to Settings and tap on Apps again. Subsequently, tap on Messenger and select Storage. Moreover, tap on Clear Cache to remove temporary files. Afterwards, restart your device by holding the power button and selecting Restart. Then, test the Messenger call to see if the ringing works now. And that's it. If this Messenger call fix helped you receive calls properly, give it a like, subscribe for more troubleshooting tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.